What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We're here today in our La Puente location. We're about to see what we're cooking in here. Check it out. Got this beautiful Tesla. Got the Chrysler 300. It's going in this nice blue. Alright guys, so we're gonna continue working on this Chrysler 300. Stay tuned for the final results.
Yo, Chrysler 300 is fully done in the magic blue. So this blue is just insane. It's just a crazy color. I would never think the outcome was just gonna look crazy how it looks right now. We'll go outside right now, but you know, customer had a hard time choosing the color. We gave him about 4 different options. It was like an Avery, a 3M, and I think a KPMF. But you know, and then I showed him Tinybot. So out of those 4 colors, you know, Tinybot always killing it with the colors. I don't know, something about Tinybot, like the colors is just, it just stands out from like a lot of different companies. Once again, thanks for Tinybot for providing some crazy ass colors. Harry, you already know. All right guys, so I'm about to step out the car and show you guys the finished product. Guys, I don't think you guys are ready for this. Look at that blue.